Want to create a monogram in Cricut Design Space? It's easy, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open your Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Click on Text. Step 3. Type out your initials. Step 4. Line up each initial side by side. Step 5. Once your initials are arranged correctly, click the Font menu. Step 6. Select your preferred font style from the Font menu to apply it to your initial. Note, make sure your initial is selected while you are selecting the font style. Step 7. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while selecting the first and third initials. Step 8. Go to the Size menu and adjust the height of your initials to your preferred size. Step 9. Select the middle text to adjust its height. Step 10. Adjust the position of your monogram as you want.
Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com. Or call us at 17868665932, 442039830480.